How to recover permanently disabled Facebook account. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your permanently disabled Facebook account. So let's get started. So you gotta first of all head over to any of the search engine, be it Safari, Chrome, or Google. And then you gotta search for disabled Facebook account recovery. Click on search. So you're gonna click on the Meta Store one and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. After that, what you're going to do is give this article a read and it would say, was this article helpful? You're going to click on no, and then you can say instructions are unclear, anything like that. And then it would ask you why this wasn't helpful. So you're going to type in the reason. You're going to ask them to, just give your account back. You can say that, hey, my Facebook account was disabled for no reason. Kindly look into this matter. And then you're going to provide your email address, then your contact information and your username, and when did you face this issue, the time. And once you do so, you're going to simply click on submit. Facebook will get this information. They will retrieve and look into the matter that what was the issue, and then they'll help you get your account back. So that is basically how you can recover permanently disabled Facebook account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.